Now that summer is upon us, toned bodies are often in the spotlight.
Why are you giggling? Why are you?
Because they might be in the spotlight, but they sure are difficult to get.
They are. But one Hollywood insider shares her secrets to getting instant abs. Is it something that regular folks can get too? We check in with our health reporter, Pauline Chan. Pauline?
Thank you very much, Ken and Ashley. Well, nurse Jamie Sherrill calls herself Hollywood's go-to skin expert. And when you've got to have $1 million close-up of a movie star's chiseled torso, those abs have got to be part of it. But other cosmetic experts say that may not be realistic for the rest of us. From Nicole Richie to Rita Ora to Kirsten Dunst, Jamie Sherrill has worked with some of Hollywood's top names.
This is non-surgical, no downtime, so we can give you the illusion of bionic abs in a day.
The first step is an i-lipo procedure, a non-invasive therapy that involves using laser paddles to reduce fat cells.
It's very simple. It doesn't hurt at all.
After that, it's time to tighten using thermage.
We're going to just sculpt out some abs. This is radio frequency. It causes your collagen fibers to thicken, the overlying skin adheres firmer.
After just 10 minutes, she points to visible changes from the procedure.
We focus mostly on the left side, and you can already see how this is sculpting out the muscles. This is definitely more sculpted than this side.
And then the final stage in the 3-step procedure, semi-permanent tattooing to shade in those ab muscles. The cost, $2,500, but experts warn the effects might only last a few weeks.
If it looks too good to be true, it usually is.
Toronto dermatologist Dr. Julia Carroll says thermage is a proven technique to produce a subtle tightening of the skin. But there isn't much evidence to support i-lipo.
You have to do 16 treatments, and they start sort of at 2 days, and it gets wider and wider and wider in span. So it's a lot of treatments. And then they have actually a particular diet that goes along with it and an exercise regimen.
She calls the tattooing of the six-pack the icing on the cake. Looks good, but is it worth it?
I think it's really expensive for the results that you get. If it was a patient coming to me for my advice, I would probably suggest they do, exercise, eat well, and then we can deal with a little bits of fat or skin tightening.
In other words, if you're earning $1 million for your action movie, having instant abs might be worth the price. But to get a fit, trim body for life, you'll have to work at it. And Dr. Carroll says while i-lipo is available in Canada, it is not widely offered. Thermage is used more frequently, with prices ranging from about $2,500 and up for a treatment that lasts about 2 hours. With today's Lifetime, I'm Pauline Chan.